But if you are distant from Allah, when you have, you ought to be worried. You ought to be worried. I'm an evil person. I have done bad. I slander, I backbite, I cheat, I deceive. Especially when you harm fellow humans. Why? When you committed a sin between you and Allah in terms of perhaps alcohol, drugs, adultery and so on, sins between you and Allah, Allah will forgive you those major sins when you seek proper forgiveness from Him. But the minute you slandered, backbit someone, or you have engaged in gossip and so on, then you need to involve a third party. They might not forgive you. They might say, I'll catch you on the day of judgment. Oh, that statement is a bit heavy. May Allah protect us. But it's their right. They want to see justice. On earth, they might not see the justice. So the best thing for you to do, stay away from the lives of others in a negative fashion. Don't do that. Say good things. Or you want to solve a problem, by all means, you may do so. Respectfully. Be respectful. That's all. It doesn't mean you need to side with those who are wrong in order to appease them, in order to show them, look, I haven't done anything against you. No harm. I've got nothing to do with you because you know what? It's a toxic relationship, but I will not oppress you. That's it. I fear Allah enough. That's all. I fear Allah enough to maintain a decent, dignified presence. That's it. May Allah Almighty grant that to us. This is how you earn the mercy of Allah. Respect people. Fulfill your duties unto Allah. Give charity. When you give charity, what is it? Why is it that you are going to earn the mercy of Allah? Simple. When Allah gave you, you didn't only think of how to get more. You thought of, who doesn't have what I have? Let's look for them. So you found 10, 20 people. You said, right, let me give them a little bit of what I have. Because Allah gave me. Allah says, oh, the mercy of mine descends upon you. Look at you. I created these people. It's up to me to sustain them. I put it in your heart to give them so that I can reward you and I can give them at the same time. Amazing. But if I wanted, I didn't need to give you to give them. It's part of the plan of Allah. You might ask why. Good question. Because Allah decided it. That's the true answer. Allah wants to see, are you selfish? Do you care for the others? Just like you want people to care for you. Do you care for others? If you do, they'll have mercy on you.